Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to deposit funds into your Webull account. Webull is a popular online brokerage firm that allows users to buy and sell stocks, options, and other financial instruments. Depositing funds into your Webull account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. First, you need to have a Webull account. If you don't have one, you can sign up for free on the Webull website or mobile app. Once you have an account, log into the Webull platform using your username and password. To deposit funds, click on the deposit button, which is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the deposit page, where you can choose your deposit method. Webull offers several deposit methods, including bank transfers, wire transfers, and online payment services. For a bank transfer, you will need to link your bank account to your Webull account. This can be done by providing your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Once your bank account is linked, you can initiate a transfer from your bank account to your Webull account. Another deposit method is wire transfer. This method is faster than a bank transfer, but it may incur additional fees. To make a wire transfer, you will need to provide your bank with the wire transfer details, which can be found on the Webull deposit page. In addition to bank transfers and wire transfers, Webull also accepts deposits from online payment services such as ACH transfers. This method is free and can be completed online. Once you have chosen your deposit method, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deposit process. This may involve verifying your account details and confirming the deposit amount. It is essential to note that deposit limits and processing times may vary depending on the deposit method and your account type. For example, bank transfers may take several business days to process, while wire transfers are usually processed on the same day. To avoid any delays or issues with your deposit, make sure to check the deposit limits and processing times before initiating a transfer. You can find this information on the Webull website or by contacting Webull customer support. In conclusion, depositing funds into your Webull account is a simple and straightforward process. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can easily deposit funds into your account and start trading. Remember to always check the deposit limits and processing times, and to contact Webull customer support if you have any questions or issues with your deposit.